going on, guys? Listen, we taking this little praise break to just say thank you, Jesus. My client just got the new HVAC system upstairs and downstairs, plus $8,000 in seller concessions on a house that we purchased at market value. That's what you're talking about, not letting the deal fall apart, making sure that you take care of your clients and take care of the community, and they're gonna take care of you, all right? We about to go back up into this attic and make sure this thing is working right. Y'all come along with me, come on. This is what you do as a realtor. You just gotta do what you gotta do in this world, make it happen. All right, look at this baby over here. Oh yeah, brandy new. Love that, love the look of that. Listen, if you know anybody looking to buy or sell, make sure that you got a good agent. Make you got somebody that's going to represent you properly. Somebody's going to make sure they take care of you and do the right thing. Ultimately, both sides are happy in this deal. We got a brand new contract. I'm sweating. It's crazy hot in the attic. Let's do this thing. Let's get this thing closed today. Take it easy, guys. It's your Realtor on site, Andre Fajardo.